Hello everyone, my name is Andrei Dima and I'm a travel photographer. And for soon a year, I've been using the Fuji XT4 alongside my DSLR, the Nikon D850. I love the XT4's retro look and using the top dials and the aperture ring on lenses because it is a more rewarding experience. It reminds me of the Nikon FE2 SLR, which I used a long time ago. But, as fun to use as they are, the dials on the XT4 are not ideal for everyone or all types of photography. I think I'm losing my voice, so I'll be quick. Being a DSLR user for more than 10 years now, I am used to change my settings with my front and rear dials when I work. Now let me show you how to do this on the XT4. First, set your lens aperture ring to A. Now, in the menu, go to the wrench icon, also called the setup menu, to button and dial settings, scroll down to aperture ring settings and set it to command. Next, move your top left dial to C and your right top dial to T. Now you can see the rear dial icon besides the shutter speed and the front dial icon besides the ISO. Now you can go to the menu, wrench icon, button dial settings, command dial settings and set what you want to control with your dials. As you can see, on the front dial you have set the aperture, exposure compensation and ISO, and on the back dial you have the shutter speed. A faster way to change this is by pressing the front dial for a couple of seconds until this menu will appear. You can change the aperture or the ISO with the front dial, and by pressing the front dial once, you can change between them. I like to put the aperture on the back dial and the ISO and shutter speed on the front dial. I think it works better this way on the XT4. There you have it. Now you can change your settings with the front and back command dials. Let me show you something else. This is like aperture priority on DSLRs. After you set up your dials, just turn your top right dial to auto. Now you just control the aperture and ISO with the dials and the camera chooses the shutter speed for you. You can put even the ISO on auto and just control the aperture with your back dial. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe. This helps me grow my channel and make more videos like this for you to watch. And if you want to support my channel even more, check out my presets pack and prints in the description below. Thank you for watching, see you next time.